High-quality products are the result of successful collaboration. SoftArt Leather and SlovTan Contract Tannery are traditional companies with a long-standing partnership of over 15 years. Together they represent the highest quality. Take a look behind the scenes at SlovTan Contract Tannery, one of Europe's leading tannery service providers, and discover where the story of SoftArt's premium leather begins. The process of leather production involves more than 40 individual steps and begins with a byproduct of meat production, the raw hides. The skin of an animal reflects its husbandry. The material we process is exclusively from farm animals for the food industry that are kept according to high animal welfare standards. Leather is completely in line with the recycling concept because without the leather industry, over 7 million tons of cattle hides would end up in the landfill every year. To optimally preserve the structure of the hides, they are cooled and delivered via the shortest transport route. That is the only way to produce high-quality leathers for SoftArt, which are used for bags, shoes, upholstered furniture, riding saddles, and even aircraft seats. After an initial sorting and inspection, they are then transported to the beam house. There, soaking and liming is used to first remove dirt, and then hair, proteins, and fats from the hides. The largest possible barrels are used for this, which save a lot of water and energy through smart loading and precise quantity calculation. After these steps, the skin that has been cleaned and freed of hair is called a pelt. The subcutaneous connective tissue is then removed with machine assistance and the hides are canned. So excess parts are removed that are not suitable for leather production. The next step is to split the hide into an upper and lower part. In this way, two pieces of leather are created from one hide. The upper part is processed into beautiful, high-quality leather. The lower part can be further used, for example, for gelatin preparation or split leather production. The thickness of the split is precisely adjusted to meet the requirements of the end product. A shoe, for example, requires thicker leather than upholstered furniture. Forklift trucks then transport the split hides to the actual start of leather production, the tanning process. It is this step that makes the hides durable and thus transforms them into hard-wearing leather. Traditionally mineral and alternatively mineral-free and vegetable tanning agents are used for tanning. Our partner SlovTan is committed to the highest possible standards in the use and handling of chemicals, ensuring responsible leather production. During the wilting process, excess water is mechanically squeezed out of the hide to create the wet leather. The wet white shown here receives its characteristic color from tanning with synthetic tanning agents. The subsequent sorting is very important because in the wet state, the surface texture and natural characteristics can be used to precisely assess the best application area for the SoftArt leather. SoftArt, leather with timeless tradition.